We keep them short and sweet. That's it. Right, pull down here to Ccrv. What we're going to do is we're going to redo the video on the 2622 because they put some new additions, some new colours, so we're just bringing it up to date. So when you're watching these videos, you're actually looking at current stock. That's the idea of it. So if you follow me, we'll have a quick look round and see what we've got here on the 2622 Rockwood. Just a quick one. The area in the front is where the batteries go and all the electrics. It's all steel floor. You can hide some tools and stuff in there. Everything's in there. There's a dead man switch in the corner there that switches all the 12 volt off when it's in storage. So that keeps that nice and tidy out the way there. This little cupboard here is for the gas bottle. Gas bottle goes in there, and there's one both sides, so you carry 2 bottles of gas. This is a storage area, and David just show you inside there. They've got plenty of room to store all sorts of stuff. On this particular model, they give you a free barbecue and a table. So we've got a table here. Barbecue is like a hot grill, and there's a gas plug underneath. We just fitted it up just so that you can see what you get. Right, if we have a little walk inside, we'll do a tour of the outside another time, otherwise these videos just go on and on. Right, these are the steps you get. They just stow in there, easy, one-handed. There's no heavy lifting or anything like that. On these models, you get a nice fly screen affair, so that can shut. So in the summer, it's lovely to keep the mozzies out, a bit of fresh air. We put the awning out just to demonstrate the awning. And we got some LED lights, which is fantastic in the evening for entertaining. It gives a bit of atmosphere, people watching, you know, you really enjoy the whole setup. Right, let's go inside and we'll have a look round. Right, we'll do our usual through the bathroom first. Right, again, a really nice bath, lovely colours. Plenty of cupboards, nice little hand basin here, have a shave, have a wash, put your towels, couple of lights in here. We've got an electric fan, take all the damp out of the unit, which is very important. So these are all sprung loaded, they're good quality doors that will shut. Nice to show you the shower. Get it apart. Everything's quite tight in these, so that you don't get no leaks and water all over the floor. But as I say, I can get inside these. If you've watched other videos, we'll have to go through this. Right, so there's plenty of room in here. I'm quite a big guy, 6 foot plus. Plenty of room. You can have a nice shower. They're constant run showers, so not like the Caravan ones where you're switching the water on and off. You know, you can have a constant shower. Right, let's have a look through here. Right, this is a wardrobe. Got a nice wardrobe there. You can hang some bits and pieces up in there. There's the cupboards we've got down here, and a bit of additional storage there. So you can see I hope the colours of the units come out really nice. They're nice and bright. They're not too dark. We've got a door here, and this is a Jack and Jill bathroom with 2 entrances. Right, if we have a slide round here, got some cupboards in a good position up beside the bed, some bit more storage over the top there. The skylight here, and these little vents here are for directional air conditioning, so you can just open them if it's a bit warm. You can let the air conditioning work here if you want. This is a fire exit and also a window. And nice sort of drop down blinds here, and you just let them go and they go back up again. Right, so if we go around this way, turn the lights on and off there. Alright, follow us down here. Right, this is the control panel. Everything pretty much is controlled here. So all the interior lights can be switched on and off here. Porch light, the awning. These are the slide buttons in and out. And then we've got the tank, hot water. This for the hot water, gas or electric. Heating on the tanks. All the tanks underneath are all heated. And this gives you the levels here. So the battery's full, fresh is empty, black's empty, grey's empty, and grey 2 is empty. So that's the control panel. Some of these have Wi-Fi boosters, Wi-Fi rangers, but that's more the lads will talk you through all the technical bits and pieces. Right, so if we have a look through here, go into the main area here. If you have a look at this, plenty of worktop space. As I said, you can see all that from the video. You can see the worktop space and everything. It's all self-explanatory. Really. You've got a nice TV, bit of storage behind it, little secret locker away behind there to store your bits and pieces. And just get in there, so that's quite handy. Or you can actually position the TV if you want to sit over there and watch it. But that's a put away there for stowing. Lovely fire. This is thermostatically controlled. It gives a bit of atmosphere. Keep the whole thing warm. These do have gas blown warm air central heating as well as the electric fire, but you'll be warm as toast in here in the winter. All the windows double glazed. I say it's not cheap old worktop. This is all Corian, you know, nice finished. Nice cooker, nice sink, all modern appliances, stainless. You know, plenty of storage. Obviously, you can see all the storage. You don't have to open every cupboard and door. And your microwave. So there's plenty of area here for cooking and just general living. This is a nice little touch here. Now you're going to see, this is put the old bin in there. Look at that. You put your bin in there and just pop that away. Again, lovely colours. I mean, this would cost a fortune, this style of kitchen, if you put it in a house. Some of these little, they got these little pop-up USB chargers on here, and we wire them all for 240 volts, completely separate circuits for 240 volts. Freezer, fridge, again, a good size fridge. You know, you do shopping, you can fill it up. You're not going to go down the shops every 5 minutes buying bits and pieces. This is a U-shaped dinette. They call this a super dinette, but the idea is the table can move, so you can get down there and get your laptop on there and have a bit of grub, or you can sort of sit here and watch the TV. You know, if you look from here, it's actually quite nicely appointed with a fire going and everything. They all come with a fan, a ceiling fan. This here is a pull-out sofa bed. If you have a look at that there, David, that's a sofa bed. We've got a sofa bed here that pulls out. There's a few options with these. You can have theatre seat in there. You can change that for theatre seating and a separate table that goes there. There's quite a few different things. But the main thing I wanted to show you was the new blinds. These pulled down blinds that they fit with them now. Let's just go up. Lovely. And the new colours, I mean, fantastic bright colours. These are going to be our main sort of units that we sell now. They go comfortably on a Ford Ranger. They're ideal for touring, living, whatever you want to do. They're fully insulated. They're Canadian spec, so they're good for all 4 seasons living. So, you know, what can I say? This for value for money. If you're in the market for this sort of thing, please come down and see us and have a look. These are fantastic value for money if you compare them to a motorhome. They're very flexible. You've got the truck, you can go down the town, you can go sightseeing, you can do what you want. Again, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, many more videos to come, and hit the bell, and then you'll get a notification of when the next one's putting up. Thanks for watching. Big thumbs up from Ccrv.